How to use Monday.com app. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Monday.com app on your mobile phone to access all of your project, task, and much more. So let's get into it. First of all, Monday.com app is available on Android and iOS, and you can download it from your Google Play Store or App Store. So I'm going to open up my app store and search for Monday. And here we can see Monday.com work management. This is the application that we need to download to our phone. So once the application is installed, you just have to open it up and it will take you right here. Monday.com is a project management software and a CRM. It allows us to collaborate with our team. We can create our task and manage our team. So here I need to actually log into my Monday.com. If you do not have an account, you can create one. If you already have one, then you're just going to log in. So I'm going to log into my already existing account on Monday.com. So here, first of all, it's asking me if I would allow notifications from Monday.com. Well, I will because I want it to access every time and I want to get notifications. So here we are inside our Monday.com. You can see this is the look of the app. It shows me my different projects that I have already created, my different workspaces. And then I will select a workspace from here and then move on to my boards and then projects. Here at the bottom, you will be able to see we have home, my work, notifications, and more. We have this plus button right here. Click on this plus and it allows me to select a template. We can even edit a template using our mobile phone. We have this add button at the top right, you can see. So here we have send an email and this is for invitation. We can invite a member from the top right corner here. Now let's open up a workspace. I'm going to open up this one, project management, and it will show me the different projects and boards that I have within a workspace. All right, so here we have our main board. You can see this is a board that I already created. Of course, I can create a new board as well. Here we have the main table. First of all, I can change the views. We have a timeline view, we have a table view, calendar view, Kanban view, timeline, map, battery, cards, and files. Let's say I want to switch to a Kanban view. So this is what it will look like. Then I can switch back to a main table view, and this is going to be here. So creating a new section, really easy. Just click right here and then edit the name, delete, or add a new group here. Adding a new item is also really easy. You will get the option right here, new item. So let's just hit it and add the name of new item. Let's just call it task 1. Click on add and your new task will be created on Monday.com. Now I can open it up. Okay, so here I can now do more. I can add an assignee, so I'm going to assign it to a team member. Perfect. Then we can select a status. Let's add a status of working on it. If I want to add a new status, then we can actually do that. Let's create a new status of maybe, let's say completed or in process. Then I'm going to click on save and the status will be added. But here, let's go with working on it. Then we have the date. This is where we can set a due date for the task. So I'm going to select tomorrow's due date here. Click on save and it will be added. We can also add a column here. So click on add column. I will be able to add more columns such as numbers, tags, statuses, timeline, subtitle, sub items, and then we can see more. We have checkbox, we have tags, drop down, we have some of the others such as links. Then we have essentials where we have dates and text, long text, then we have voting, team, location, and more. So you can see the look of Monday.app is actually really impressive and it's giving me all of these different features and tools that I get on my desktop. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the tags here and let's add it. So the tag will also be added, and in tag we can create new tags. So I'm going to click on new tag. This is a new task. Click on done and a new tag will be created. Let's create another one, which is going to be error. Maybe this is the tag that I want to add. I'm going to click on done. Similarly, let's create another tag, which is going to be test. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to add this and this to my new task. So we have new, different tags created. At the bottom here, you will be able to see we have description and comment that we can add. So here we have the document option. We even have a voice note option. We have a send option, and we can also upload media from our phone. I can even attach files, videos, and photos to my task right here. So you can see this is what it looks like. I can now add any update here, add a comment. We can also share this task with this share option here at the top. Click on share and it will allow me to share it to different apps on my mobile phone. We have these three dots right here. Click on these three dots. We have edit name, duplicate item, move to group, move to board, archive, and delete. So this is how you create a new task on Monday.com app. You can see. And if you want to add a new column from here, you can swipe left a little bit and click on add column. And again, you will get create a new column option here. If you want to create a new group, hit here, add the name. For instance, we have a month name here. So I'm going to click on add and it will be added. So this is what a project looks like on Monday.com app. If I take you back and let's say I want to create a new workspace, or I want to do more. So how we will get more settings into it. So you're going to see the more option here at the bottom. In more, we have our inbox, my team, search everywhere, account, admin settings. Then we have some of the other supports here. Then we also have notification. This is where I will get all the notifications from my Monday.com. If I have a task assigned to me, if I have a due task, that I will be getting notification here. Then we have my work. This is where it will show me the work that I have. The option that we have on our desktop as well. It will show me the different tasks that I have due this week, next week, later, or without date. Here I will also be able to access a calendar, and I can connect a calendar to my Monday.com app. We can connect any kind of integration to Monday. We can also integrate different applications such as Google Calendar, Slack to here, and it will also sync my Monday to what I have on my desktop. We just need to sign in. So if I click on this plus button here now, we have select your next template. This is where you can create your new board. So here we have create a new board option. I can start from the scratch, or I can select a template for project, portfolio management. Then we have reject request, customer project, product development, product roadmap, features and release roadmap. Then we have basic CRM. We know that Monday.com is also a CRM platform that you can use. This one, we have contacts, we have start from scratch, a team task, then we have job requirement, social media schedule, and more. So here, what I can do is I can just click on create new board, and it will be created for me from the scratch. And this is what a new board looks like. And again, now we are here, I will be able to create new groups here, new items, add assignees, add due dates, and more. So using Monday.com app is actually really easy, and it becomes very easy to manage our everyday task, our work task on our mobile phone. Similarly, when it comes to inviting a team member, just hit here. Let me actually show you the process. We can also share a link from here, but we can send an email. You just have to enter their email address here, click on invite, and an invitation will be sent to them, and they will be able to join you here on Monday.com. Then of course you will be notified. We can also customize our Monday.com experience here. And we have search everywhere. So this is where you will get your Monday.com dashboard, documents, and other items. So you can search here too if you feel like you cannot find something. For instance, I cannot find Monday docs, or I cannot find the Monday dashboards, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just search for dashboards here, and it will look for me if I have created any dashboards. You can see here, and I will be able to search it. So it's actually really easy. Then we have our other settings, admin settings here, and support too. We can also log out of our Monday.com anytime we want. But this is how you will be using Monday.com app. It's actually really easy. All you need to do is just install the application, log in, and then you can get more productive, save your time, collaborate with your team, and much more. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to use Monday.com app. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.